Welcome friends to another session of the Silk Route to Excel at Work. In the previous session we have seen the various date formats to display what we want. The D, DD, MM, YYYY, DD, DD, HH, MM and so on. In this session we will learn first the basics of dates. What we have seen here is how to display a date or the time in a given format. Now we need to go further into this. For that, let us first understand how Excel displays or rather calculates the dates. For Excel, date is a number, just like the saying goes, age is a number, and time is a fraction of a number. So Excel calculates the 1st of January 1900 as day 1 and 2nd January is day 2 and so on and so forth, and each day is calculated by adding 1 to the previous day. Thus, if I put here 01 January 1900 and I say the same number here, but display this as a number, it shows 1. So let us say middle something like 20th of June 1950. I'll just copy this to here. This is 18434. This is 18,434th day. For the 4th of July of, let us say, in the year of India's birth, that is, this day is, I'll put the format so it will be more clear if it is 4th of July. Yeah, 4th of 1947 is day 7352, and India's Independence Day is 15/8/1947. Sorry, 1947. So the format is again 7394. Today's date is, let us use the function today, and the same format I use. This is 44152. So that means 26,758 days were elapsed since India got its independence. So since every day is counted for 24 hours, each 1 hour is 1 divided by 24. 0.041667 is 1 hour. I will make this as the date. Same date is here, and then I'll display this as, let us say, time. This shows midnight of 17/11/2020. Now to this I add this D5 here, 1 o'clock. Now this is the hour. How about the minute? Minute is this one divided by 60, which gives me 0.000694. Now to the same I add one more minute, that is I add this 6. This changes to 1 hour 1 minute. Again this is, to display this as a number, we will increase the decimals. The format to display is, I want a number, so I'll display increase digits, number of digits. This comes to 0.11574. So adding the second to this gives me 1 minute, 1 hour, 1 second. So you see, for calculating a date, Excel uses it 0100 as 1, and subsequent dates are added to that. For a time, it's a fraction, like I said, 0.0417 gives you the hour, and 0.000694 gives a minute, and 0.00001157 gives the second. So if I add this plus 1 day, I get tomorrow 1811, and the number is formatted as 44153.04. I use the same format here and I get the time again, but this is for tomorrow's date. If I want the date and the time, I just in the display to, we know the custom now, we just put DD DD Y, and then the hour, the minute, and the second, and then increase the column width. This shows Wednesday 18th number 2020 010101. Now I just say, instead of adding this hour, minute and second here, I just say now it gives me the system date and time, Tuesday 17th 2020 5:51:48. So again recalculated, it goes to the current system date and time. Now we have learned that for Excel, date is just a number and time is just a fraction of a number. Now utilizing this concept of the date being a number, we are now ready to jump into the calculation of the time and date. Before going to that, now we have seen in the earlier episode where the date is same but the format is different. Now formatting doesn't help in the calculation. For example, if you want to calculate only on the date, I need to extract the date from this today function. For example, today function is here, all these are same as today but formatted differently. Now from this I want to extract date alone. The formula is, the arguments are a serial number. Serial number can be the serial number of today's date, which you need to again calculate, or just say today. Today, as we have seen earlier, is stored as a number. So what is the day of today? It gives 17, the date alone. Similarly, so this gives 17. The formula is, let us assume the formula is here. I'll put this formula, and this will be the formula which I write it here. So this is the formula. This will display as, if I use the function is equal to day of today, this is displayed as 17, which gives me today's date alone. For the month alone, yes, you are right, the month of today gives me 11. So I'll calculate, I'll copy the same formula here, so you will understand this is what comes to, and this is what is displayed. For display, use a column in the front which gives you. You can even write, rather than writing today, you just copy cell A3. So I can make this as cell A3, which of course is today. So here also, in writing today, I just write cell A3. Gives me 17. So this month of A4 gives me 11. So month of today, I write today here, easy for understanding how I am doing it. So for year, again same thing, year of today gives me 2020. Result, and this is the formula. Like I said earlier, it always takes the default time of midnight of 17th November 2020, so it's 12 AM. To have more clarity, let us add some random decimal to it. 5:34:31 AM, and this of course are previous, so it is same thing is copied here. Now time in hours of cell A6, so I'll tell hour of this much, so it is shown as 5 hours. The formula again, I copy this to here, I get the same time here. The formula for reference is hour, and again minut minute returns the serial number in minutes. This shows 34. So I can copy this formula to here, and this shows 34, and this I can make it back into a text. So in second of serial number, it gives me this much. So again copy the whole thing here, and I make this back as a text. So if I say I want more 3 here, so this 5, 34, 33. So is the today's date plus fixed time, so it doesn't change. If I make this now, instead of putting it today, make it now. This is current system time and date. So whenever this time changes, obviously it keeps on changing. 6/1/20. A few seconds later, 25. So this is how you get it. Now this can be used in formulas. This can calculate the dates. For example, your age in years, months, dates, and if the exact time of your birth, the time, the hours, minutes, seconds since you were born, the date of your investment which is going to mature in say end of this year, how many days for that, the days for your next annual appraisal, the dates since the man went to the moon. All sorts of things can be calculated once you know the fundamentals of how the date is calculated in Excel. In that, we'll see next session how we calculate on that. Share this with your friends and colleagues and help them excel at work. Thanks for watching.